but you have to differentiate this 2x again. So you will get what? Half into x power half minus 1. Hello guys, welcome back to Arun Excellent Classes. In today's videos, we are going to discuss differentiation, and basically we will use chain rule here. There are so many people who's asking, sir, can you please help me in differentiation, how we can apply chain rule in the questions. So I'm discussing few concepts based on chain rule. So for example, we are having a question like y is equal to sine 2x. And we know very well when you differentiate this, you will get dy over dx is equal to differentiation of sine x, we know cos x. So simply we can write what? Cos 2x. But this is not the right answer. Here you have 2x instead of x. So what you will do here? So differentiation of sine 2x will be cos 2x, but you have to differentiate this 2x again. So what you will do? Into d by dx of 2x. So finally you will get what? Cos 2x as it is, and differentiation of this 2x with respect to x will be what? 2 only. So you're getting 2 cos 2x, right? Let me take one more question. And let's say you have y is equals to root x. So differentiation of root x, we know that is 1 upon 2 root x, right? I hope you know it. Let me explain how we got this. So I'm doing here y is equals to x power half. Okay, we can write it like that. And when you differentiate this, so you will get what? Half into x power half minus 1. After that, you can write it like dy over dx is equals to half x power minus half. And you can write it like 1 upon 2 x power positive half. And that you can write 1 upon 2 root x. Okay. Let's say now you have y is equals to root sine x. So we know very well when you differentiate this. So first you will get 1 upon 2 root x, means 1 upon 2 root sine x. Now differentiation of sine x with respect to x will be what? Cos x. So your final answer is cos x upon 2 root sine x. Correct or not? I hope you're getting this. Let me take one more basic example here. If you're having y is equals to cos 2x square plus 5. So we know very well differentiation of cos is what? Sine. So cos 2x square plus 5 differentiation will be what? Minus sine 2x square plus 5. But this is not the final answer. You have to differentiate this 2x square plus 5 again. So you will write it like this. And after that, in the next step, you will say minus sine 2x square plus 5 as it is. And differentiation of this will be what? 4x plus 0. So finally, you are getting what? Minus sine 2x square plus 5 times 4x. So you can write it negative 4x times sine 2x square plus 5. This is your final answer, right? So you can make so many examples like that, right? So when you practice these kind of questions a lot I am saying, okay, then you will come to know how we can use chain rule in differentiation. Okay, so I hope you got some basic idea how we can do that. Okay, so please practice, and if you have any other doubt related to any topic, okay, so you can tell me in the comments. Okay, I will wait for you. So I'm ending a session right now, guys. Bye bye, have a good day.